Yes, the real deal.
Ice cream.
The one we got before.
I said it's not the real ice cream. Splash.
They said that one is a slash. I mean a slash.
A splash, a bit splash, a bit splash.
It's so big.
Guys.
They said this one is the real one. That one is just
Yes.
for whatever it is.
And it also does the splashing thing. This one is anyhow you want it.
But I'm not celebrating yet. Now, so my wife celebrate for that first one.
At least you are sure that this one is ice cream. Benjamin, hold the carton. Baguette.
So?
At least this one is. It
It's
said
the ice cream shop. This one, the early items in the ice cream shop.
The ice cream shop.
On your countertop.
So come and buy my ice cream. Yeah, guys. Ooh. Okay, all this one is on the menu. Okay. Ooh. Maybe carton don't come again.
Telling you. But at least it's just one for now.
Oh my
So when you turn the front, let's read the front of the carton, the other side.
Like this.
Okay. No, let's see this. Okay, this side first.
Yeah.
So endless pause, endless possibilities. Ice cream, slush, sorbet,
This is my ice cream, the
fruity.
first one, mini say.
So that's a good one.
Yeah, it's a good one. Definitely, we don't need this carton again.
No, not Terrams.
I mean, we don't need that. That one.
Okay.
Guys,
Okay, that's everything.
I'm gonna buy ice cream for my house. Benjamin went to, today is Benjamin's
Yes,
birthday,
congratulations,
and he
Benjamin.
did so well.
Yes.
We've gotten them since, we said today is when we were bossing. Give Benjamin did well in school. Benjamin, try this
You
one.
did very well.
He did so well for running, basketball. And what was that other one that you were doing like this?
And that's skipping running. Benjamin.
He did so well. I mean, yeah, that's the African blood. Benjamin. So, we're celebrating Benjamin for his win.
Yeah.
Ice cream.
This one is different. Someone say last one we not even read that. We just do it. This one, and the same thing.
Read it.
No, we're not reading Benjamin. Africans, we are smart. Once we see something, we just pop and start walking.
Are you a smart boy? Yeah. You are, right?
Okay, what's this for, Benjamin?
What?
What's the use of that?
If I'm putting the thing on here.
Yes, good boy. That's what I'm talking about.
It's like the same thing like our
Yes.
what to fit.
So it doesn't allow ice cream to drop on the ground.
Yeah.
Now, wow, is it equal? Agbalagba. Okay.
And guys, don't forget
Let's see the
this.
display.
So,
Don't forget this.
guys, I already mixed the juice. Now, wow.
I need a bacon.
My brother, what did I do wrong? I don't know.
Oh, that's okay.
This like this. Okay.
Yeah, you tight this one from
Hey,
here.
well, but it's gonna fall
See,
here.
lock here.
Yeah, I'm
Yes.
locking it. Yes, it's okay.
It's locked
okay.
now. Yeah, it's locked. Put it on. Why you like to remove everything? Sometimes leaving that thing makes it look new.
I'll buy this.
On and let's see the display.
Right now.
On it.
Next. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's
Now,
go.
ice cream, we go the first one. Guys.
My wife, my ice cream.
Well, first off, I need to do that.
Okay, yeah,
Okay.
try it.
Let me do this.
You want to choke it inside? No, I will
Oh,
use.
please.
No, test it.
No,
Yeah,
you
test
put
it.
it
You can't put
inside.
your hand inside.
Please, I already washed this, Mama.
You already washed it. Yeah, choke it inside.
Here, though.
Uh-huh.
So what do you know now about ice cream that is not
You
is
mind?
me? Man, sit down in one corner. Sugar, the hungry.
Yeah. So.
You don't pour it wrongly, but. Hey, I need the pour.
Maya.
Wow.
It's like a water fountain. No,
There you go and
bubbles.
lick it. If you want to lick something. So I close it, guys. Then on it. Then put it on ice cream. This one is very easy to make use of.
Yeah, this one doesn't have much things like that. Okay, easy. We're not gonna.
Hey.
I think it's from here you select.
Okay,
it.
yes.
Yes, I got
Take your hand
it.
off, yeah.
Then you
Then-
press play. Then you wait for how many hours?
Ma, check how many hours I need to wait.
No, I think it will stop by itself. It will stop.
Once it's thick, you
to
can
stop.
even see it here. I can see some.
So, you know the essence of this thing, eh? Why because it's an ice cream machine you are making. It's cool for the body. So me and you supposed to go up and go. Then when we finish, so it will stop. You know that one. That one will stop by itself. This one should stop by itself.
So, guys, we got it right. Before we got a splash machine.
And we didn't know we're saying it's ice cream machine.
And we didn't know.
Comment section say it's splash. Okay, so we've gotten it.
We've gotten it right now. So wait. So we're going to wait for some minutes.
Mom.
And so.
Do they do
Let me see. Oh, okay. Splash. Yeah, now here you go reach.
True.
The ice cream now here you go reach maximum. Oh, let's say over.
We overput them.
I overput them.
No, you know it's turning now, so you cannot really tell.
Before I wanna.
Before you would have checked it, but it's okay. What will be will be.
That's why I said in the last video you have to check.
I have to check.
That's why I say we don't need to check. We like to learn with experience.
Can't say you need to
We
check.
will learn with experience. That's why in our country, Benjamin, are you hearing?
This one, they say, no kind
People
of
just carry
nonsense.
car and drive. They don't go driving school. They learn with experience.
Do you know in our countries, we don't go to driving school.
Not everybody. Some people, once they just enter steering,
boom, boom.
they will learn with experience. Then they will be experts. And they drive trailer, big one. But in the UK, you must go to your first do class, pass the exam, then go for practical.
You on computer, you look. So guys,
Let's give it some time. We'll come back and check
We
it.
got the machine right, and we tried to open it today. We went to open it yesterday. We told Benjamin that when he did go in school today. Today is their what's it called?
Sport day.
Sport day in school.
Like inter sport in Nigeria.
I don't run, boy.
No, it's working. It's working. It means it's getting cool.
Let me clean it. Our ice cream is ready.
I'm not following you talk. Let me see how it is.
You baby. Okay.
I mean, they say read manual. This one not the manual, Sha. Benjamin, do it gently, okay?
Easy. To come in my hand.
Tony,
Is there anything different from this one with this flag? Or what am I supposed to off it first?
no, nothing like off.
What I do?
You off?
It's almost same with that one.
No, this one's solid.
This one is more solid anyway.
There's no sense.
Don't forget the sprinkles.
You must remember that one.
No, I remember before. She got math. Let me not forget
Mouth.
the
Sugar mouth. Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, look, who was that?
No, I'm taking mine already.
That is it already.
Patsy Benson.
No,
It's
we
best.
eat an egg. Let me help you eat it. You know, grill. Okay, let me use this half one to do my own. I'm going to sit down in the toilet.
You know, like, except what do you mix?
My brother.
This fact is finished.
Okay, is this supposed to be doing food? Okay. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be food.
Delicious.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
You too much.
Again?
Oh.
I've been on before this guy cup.
No.
You stop, Mama.
Grandpa is sleeping. Let Grandpa come and eat ice cream.
When daddy dey sleep.
It's sleep. But it's sweet, yeah, the ice cream is sweet. Why you feel Marcus by the time?
Why they believe say you go turn your stomach?
Mommy, you need to get some tissue.
What's this?
Yep. You spilled it everywhere.
Lick it.
I'm licking it.
Hold on,
This
finish.
is you.
Hell, person.
You don't cry inside.
Must you stain your clothes every minute?
Yeah, lick it, lick it.
Go eat the biscuit too.